Hi everyone! Today is Monday, January 5th. It is my birthday, but I do have to work. It's a Monday, and I work on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. I did get my drink today. I messed up and I didn't order it correctly. We have a sugar-free raspberry with regular pomegranate and strawberry boba Rebel. Most of it's sugar-free. I do like that pomegranate flavoring, so I did add that. I don't really know how many points it is. Alright guys, I'm here to get gas. It is $1.77, so I do get the 10 cents off, so it's going to be $1.60. Okay, I did get it, so now it's $1.67. I wish I could zoom in on the mountains because they look like they're super far away in my camera, but they just look different to the eye than in the camera. But there's the mountain view today. So pretty. Here's my next order. This is a pharmacy order plus a shopping order. The only thing I'm really not excited to go pick up is that birdseed. But whatever, let's see. It is 4 miles for $15. It says the shopping will take about 17 minutes and overall it's going to take 36 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I haven't gotten anything better, so we'll go ahead and take this order. Alright, so that took about, 7 or 8 minutes. It's 2:12 at the moment. Of that, getting the offer in 12 minutes. And I am loaded up and ready to head to the first address. It was actually 3 stops. I don't know what I was looking at, but I have 2 different drop-offs, which it's still a good offer. So I will be back. So it's $9.87 for a Home Depot pickup, and it's 10.9 miles. They usually don't show what you're picking up. So it's 6 of something. I mean, it could be 6 of anything. It could be 6 sheets of plywood. Who knows what it is. And it's a upside down order, so that's a definite no. Here's my next order that I'm thinking about taking. I'm just looking through the items. And that one's not bad. And that one's not bad. So I am going to go ahead and take this. It is 6.5 miles for $25.55. So normally when I have a 2-order pickup, I usually have to do a shopping order, but I just realized this is actually a pickup, so it's even better. I don't have to go shopping for the order. So I'm going to go head to the pickup zone. So I've made it to the pickup. I am here at 2:01. I'm supposed to be here at 2:05. That's what alerted me to know that it was a pickup and not a shopping, because it told me I was too early. They don't let you pick up until a minute before the time you're supposed to, and since I'm actually already here, I need to wait for another couple minutes before it'll let me check in. So I will be doing this starting at 2:05-ish, and hopefully they don't take too long to get it out to me. That's from the time that it actually came to me that I accepted it, and it is, the order was $25.55, so that's pretty darn good for a 36-minute order. Sorry, the sun's out and I don't know how to not be in the sun, so I'll be back. Here's my next order, $14.20 for 9 miles. This is a no. This is my next order. It's $57.36 for 30 miles, so I'm going to go ahead and take it. Hey everyone, it's getting dark. I did do that Walmart order. It took me about 3 hours and 15 minutes, so I did have to cancel my Amazon order, which that's fine. I might try to catch another Walmart order, or I might see if there's anything available for Amazon. But so far I am at $99 for the night, $98 or $99 for the day. And I have been working for 4 hours and 15 minutes and 52 miles. So I'm pretty close to my $2 a mile that I like to have. I'm a little over $20 a mile, or $20 an hour. So overall, it's a good day. I don't know. I may go home. I'm not really sure. It is dark, so I probably will only update at the end with what I made for the day and how many hours and all that, like I did in the last video. So anyhow, if I don't come back, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will be back on tomorrow. Alright, I have accepted an order. It's $25.43 for 7.2 miles. It's a pickup, and it should be easy, and this will be my last one, and this will get me up to about $125, $24, something like that.